Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video I'm going to show what happened last weekend when I've been to a polishing course organized by porzelack.hu. It is going to be full of like fast forward and such, because the whole course was like 5 hours theory and around 6 hours or a bit more of practice session. And obviously I cannot put all within this around 10 minutes that it's audible and visible properly. So it is just somehow to bring your attention to these kind of courses. Wherever you live, most probably there are companies organizing this sort of courses, and I highly recommend to go and check those out if you are seriously interested. Without any further ado, let's roll!
Nagyon az alapoktól fogjuk kezdeni, jó? Mit kell tudni, mielőtt a festéket poljuk? Mi a festék eredetileg és mire tervezték?
my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire.
Olyan nagy kilépés.
Az asszony az fodrász, tehát hogy az asszony az fodrász és nem ér rá.
Okay, boys and girls, that was it. Just a small side note, even at primatech.hu you've got 10% discount as my viewers of the channel by using the code OCDaddy10, but you can find the details in the description below. Other than that, again, I can hands-on heart recommend to attend any sort of course like this if you are seriously interested in polishing, because you can really hear and learn a lot. And maybe there are topics that you think that you knew before, but it's going to be put in a different perspective. And yeah, there are also some myths busted already during these courses. So again, I can hands-on recommend. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.